Hey everyone, RJ here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the all-new EXA stereo gaming headset. Let's get it started. Alright, so first things first, I want to give a special thanks to EXA for sending these out for unboxing and reviewing. Now looking here at the box, you can tell that the design looks pretty cool. These here are LED lights, so what you see glowing there is what will light up. Now, not really sure what the name of these are. I can't really pronounce that. I want to guess it's Fenner. I might just reference it as Fenner. I don't know. Now, this is a newly released gaming headset. It is wired, and it's for the PS5, PS4, Xbox One, and Xbox Series S and X. Now, if you got a very old Xbox One that requires an adapter, it does not come with that, so that's sold separately. It's also for PC and Nintendo Switch. And you can see here it comes with a USB plus 3.5mm plug and these leather air cushions for comfortable wear. Now looking here at the back of the box, I want to just read off what it says. So these are designed for pro gamers. This headset takes gaming to the next level. This top quality gaming headset comes with a unique IP design and delivers superior sound. It is fitted with an adjustable headband and premium memory foam earmuffs to ensure comfort for long-lasting wearing. Now the packaging list is it does come with a headset, of course, a user manual, and an extension cable. And you can see down here is some of the specifications. Like I said, it does come with 3.5mm cable plus USB cable. Now the USB cable is if you plug it into a PC, that is for your LED lights. However, I want to try hooking that, USB cable, type A cable to a power bank to see if it will actually power the LED lights. If it does, that's pretty awesome. You got the speaker diameter here, 50mm. The frequencies, the rated power, max power, all of that stuff there. So let's go ahead and pull them out of the box. Okay, so due to lack of room, I went ahead and pulled them out of the box and got everything here all set up here and everything. Now it does come with a little extension, like I may mention earlier. You'll see it in the box. It also comes with a user manual, of course. But here is the headset. Now the headset does look nice. You can see the sides of it there. Now these here do light up, which is really cool. Nice little design there. I do like that. These here are extendable, as you can see right there. Seems to be really decent, really good. Nice padded foam here, as you can see. Now, I like the way that the microphone is on this one here. Yeah, it'll just go down like this. Now, this here can bend here as well. And looking down here, you will, if I can get it to focus in, you will see two microphones right here. Now this here might light up, not really sure. And on the other side, you have one microphone. But these here do kind of get out of your way if you want to, use these, watch movies or whatever. You ain't got this here being in your way. But it looks the same on both sides, really cool. And also your volume and your mute switch is on the headset. So there is no little, somewhere down here you got to reach and try to feel to turn the volume up and down. Right here is your mute and unmute button. Simple as getting camera view there. Simple as that. It just works. And of course your volume up and down right here. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so fixing to do a sound test here on the EXA E7000 gaming headset. Now, a few things that I didn't touch on earlier on in the video is, yes, you've seen the cord. This cord is like a braided type cord, and it seems to be very durable, and it won't knot up or nothing like that. So, really high quality stuff. Also, it does have a 3.5mm, and of course, the USB-A to plug into your PC. That is for the LED lights here. But I will plug this into a power bank right here. And we will see if it actually powers this headset as far as the lighting goes. So here is the side. Let's press the power button. And there you go. So yes, the power bank will light these up on both sides, as you see. Now nothing up here lights up, so there you go. But a kind of a cool little look right there, as you can see. I love how these things look, nice green color here and everything. So you can it's something kind of cool. I do like that about this headset. As far as bendability, I don't like bending them too far because I don't want it to I don't want to break them or anything. But twisting around seems to twist pretty good. It does have the aluminum band right here. It is made of mostly plastic, and it just seems to be an overall good headset. Okay, I have used these a lot. I have used them for YouTube. I have used them for Xbox gaming. I have used them to watch movies. I have used them to do live streams on YouTube when I join in to someone else's YouTube, and everything sounds fantastic. No issues whatsoever. Let's go ahead here, slip them on, and once you put these on, uh, everything around you is just quiet. Okay, they're very comfortable. They sit on your head very comfortably. I mean, I can't even. You can rest and you can watch a TV, a movie, whatever the case may be, with this headset on for hours. And of course, since it is got that fake leather, I guess you would say, they do get a little bit warm, but it's nothing too awful. Of course, you pull this down right here for your microphone. Just kind of goes down right here. No issues there whatsoever. And of course, your mute button is back here on the back, which I do need to make sure that I am not muted. So yeah, it'll also mute if you're using it on a phone here, which I'm using the Pixel 4a to test these out. So yeah, let's go ahead, put these back on, and we'll see how it sounds. Okay, so sound test from the EXA E7000 gaming headset. Now, I'm in a fairly quiet room. The AC is on, so you may hear a little bit of that noise. Not really sure if you can or not. We'll see if it filters it out. I do keep a windscreen handy, just in case there's like a lot of wind noise from a fan or whatever, but there's not one on here at the moment. Now, one thing that I do want to make mention of is I've done some Xbox gaming with some Xbox chat with this headset, and whenever I'm hearing people talking to me, they sound very, very crisp, very clear, no issues, no echoes. The speakers, there's no presets, there's no equalizers. It's just set to their signature sound, which is honestly, in my opinion, a really good balance of bass, mids, trebles. That's just my personal. That's just what I experience. Okay. Um, However, whenever they talk to me, they hear an echo, a pretty bad echo. I've tried all I could to fix the echo. Not sure if it's in the wiring. I have no idea. I changed headsets and the echo goes away. I plug these back in, the echo's back. So I have used a few EXA headsets and I've heard the same complaint about they can hear themselves talk and the echo on every one that I've used. So hopefully EXA can work on that with their microphones or whatever could be causing that issue. I was on a live stream where I was on someone's live stream using this headset, and there was no echo on my end or their end. Everything sounded fantastic. They said there was no problem. They could hear me great. So, yeah, I mean, I have used these quite a bit, and in my opinion, for the price you can get these for right now, you can't beat it. Okay, they're so comfortable. I mean, watching movies, like I said, is just it's a good experience. They get really good and loud, and I think they're a good, reliable, durable headset. And I will leave the links down below in the description if you want to buy them on Amazon. Really good price right now. If you click the links, not affiliated, I don't get nothing for it. If you click the links, you can click on them or search for yourself. But the links are down below in the description. So this has been my unboxing and review and sound test here of the EXA E7000 wired gaming headset. I recommend them overall. I just hope that maybe the echo from other players that are chatting with me will get resolved. That's the only issue that I have found in all my time of using this gaming headset. So
If it's informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave them down below, and I'll get back with you. If you're new around here and haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, clicking that bell, turn it on to receive all notifications for future videos to come. That'd be appreciated. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.